What is up, guys? Henry here. Today, I'll be continuing our beautiful new house. It's so amazing. Think we got the ingredients? Not really. Let's just say we got it. No, that's just impossible for me. Let me just mine some of this. I need some stuff. Yeah, I need some. Sorry, I really need some of this. Oh, some coal. That could become useful. Then some more coal. Give me the coal. Now let's go cutting down some trees over there. Nope, nothing there. Let me get some stuff. Let's see. See what I got. Let's see. Just wreck this tree first. And then let's mine this tree. Just keep mining though. Let me just mine all of this. Let me plant some. Come on, let's enjoy my video. Stop talking. What? It's already getting nighttime? I just feel like it is. It looks so dark now. Oh my god, it's already getting nighttime. Well, whatever. What? Yeah, we have to head home. This is getting so dark. Let me grab my stuff. This will be my swimming pool or something. Let me grab that. Thank you. Let's go, gosh, let's go. Oh, where should I plant this? Just put some, just for decoration around, like, I don't know, maybe here somewhere. This will never grow, so let's just go to sleep. Sleep. $40. Much wood tag. And enough. Let me just cook this up. With some coal. Let's just grab a pickaxe with me. What? Let me just grab some iron. Gosh, that's just weird. Give me this. We should be good to go. Just keep getting some wood. This house should look wonderful. Let me just check it one more time. There, yeah. I didn't get the staircase though, wow. Oh well. At least I got an apple. Whoa. That's just kind of weird. What? This is a mutant tree. So big. Let me just get some of this. Well, oh, another apple. That's just perfect. 6 ready. Whoa, look how many there is. Just put some up here. Where the tree actually grew. It's a perfect idea. I think it might be finished, but whatever. We need to keep mining how much we got. Almost a stack. That is amazing. Grab that, and you should be good to go. There we go. There we go. Okay, there we go. Mate. This is gonna go great. I'm like mining down every single tree. There's more over there, so yeah. Whoa. Everybody got stacked. I can't believe it. Let me go back to my house. The cooking should be finished. Totally finished. No way. That's all you give? Let me just... God. It's weird, I just couldn't press the buttons for like a second. Okay, let me just craft all of it. Why did I craft? Oh geez, I didn't need that. Yeah. Whoa. That's just weird. Got like so much. This is amazing. Let me just put this there. Yep, this is just a infinite world seed. Nope, not infinite. Definitely not. Let me grab this. We just ran a stack out. Oh god. Running out of batteries again. What? This, if you like go around the house, it's a stack and more than a stack. That's amazing. Oh my god, that's super amazing. Oh my gosh, my house is so big. It'll take me like 5 or 10 stacks. Wow. It's just so amazing. Let me just grab that. And grab that. Grab a staircase. And yeah. Put a staircase there. So yeah. That's perfect. So, oh, look at myself. Look like, wow, look at that. Let me, what? Wait, does that mean, oh my god. My sword is like black. So, cows. Let me put some of my meat there. Let me just wait until this meat just disappears. Let me grab that and get this. There we go. It's better. Let me put my sword away. And yeah, see you guys all next time. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and leave the like. Thanks a lot.